Rizwan Ali Munawar. Distinguished guests, passing out term, ladies and gentlemen. It is privilege and honor to be part of this momentous occasion, celebrating the passing out of the 61st batch of Pakistan Marine Academy today. I feel a deep sense of pride and fulfillment in seeing another group of young, capable individuals ready to embark on a journey of national services and professional growth. Congratulations to the passing out term, their families, and the dedicated staff of PMA and who have worked tirelessly to make this day a reality. The maritime profession you have chosen holds immense potential for individual achievements and national progress. The maritime sector is a cornerstone of any nation's economic prosperity, encom- encompassing critical areas like shipping, port, port operations, sea transport, and marine tourism, fishing, and exploration of underwater resources. Pakistan, with its extensive coastline and strategic maritime access, holds great potential in this sector. Yet, due to limited awareness and infrastructure, we have not fulfilled and harnessed these opportunities. The world average, I have been informed, is of their GDP is 7% from maritime affairs. But in Pakistan, our GDP percentage of maritime is only 0.5% of our GDP. So we can see the potential, the possibilities of enhancement in the working and promoting our cadets who are very well known worldwide, and we can have more and more extensive academies. I think capability in the academies can be enhanced with extra amounts we should spend on this important maritime sector, particularly for this academy. I am very proud to be here, and I found that cadets who have achieved this degrees and are the students who have achieved vigorously for the course of 2 years, and I pray for their success in their academic career, particularly as seafarers. Maritime trade is vital to our economy, as over 95% of Pakistan's international trade is conducted through the seas. Our sea trade is 95%, while our land trade is just 5%, and major trade is that of maritime affairs. This in Pakistan. It is not usual in many countries, but Pakistan is a country where 95% of the trade is through sea, and this shows the potential in maritime affairs. With the development of projects like Gwadar Port, the expansion of port infrastructure, and the completion of key initiatives under the China-Pakistan economic corridors, Pakistan maritime activities are for the exponential growth, huge growth. These advancements will bring increased trade, create job opportunities, and catalyze socio-economic progress. Recognizing the importance of maritime resources, our government is committed to enhance this sector. As I mentioned earlier, the opportunity is there. The world average is 7%, but there are nations who get their 40 to 50% of the GDP from maritime. So there is a great potential. At least we can increase tenfold, at least tenfold, from 0.5% of our GDP to 5% of our GDP. We should struggle and make efforts to have more and more revenues and more advantage and potential to get export sector, and also for this cadets who are known worldwide. and we should make extensive training. Already I have appreciate the commandant efforts of him. I have been in interaction with him, and I feel that Captain Commandant Rizwan has made great efforts, and these should be continued. I fully feel that there is a lot of potential to further increase in this sector, and we are all out for you. We will discuss about it, and we will find ways how to increase more, how to find better opportunities to, in order to be our seafarers should be famous worldwide and should have more access for the jobs. Recognizing the importance of maritime resources, our government is committed to enhance this sector. We are prioritizing the establishment of state-of-the-art maritime training institute, upgrading existing facilities, acquiring modern technologies for port operations, and fostering public-private partnership to attract both local and international investment. In this regard, I am pleased to note the efforts underway to upgrade PMA into Pakistan Maritime University. I am very much committed that we should make this PMA into Pakistan Maritime University. The transmission will elevate PMA to a prestigious center of excellence for maritime education, training, research and development, acknowledged both nationally and internationally. While I mention here internationally, PMA Secretary General recently visited PMO Secretary General from who has been elected only few months ago. He visited first time to Pakistan. That is the first ever visit of our Secretary General, and he visited this academy, and he appreciated all these cadets. He went himself to these cadets, asked questions, and appreciate the standard to Commandant Rizwan. He particularly mentioned the capability of the maritime these cadets from this academy, and I think the potential is there. While why not we should think about it that this training can be given not only to Pakistanis but internationally. We can also invite the already some countries may be having cadets here, but I think it should be more popular and more known worldwide that Pakistani cadets should go internationally. You people are the ambassadors of Pakistan when you go on as a seafarer on different international shipping companies and the ships. So the education and training you have received over the past 2 years have equipped you with the skills and discipline needed to excel in the maritime industry. You are not only the future leaders of this sector, but also ambassadors of Pakistan. Wherever you sail or serve, your conduct and competence will reflect upon our nation, uphold the highest standard of professionalism, integrity, dedication in all your endeavors. Remember, success is achieved through commitment and hard work. There are no shortcuts. I think these young cadets know about it. They made a lot of hard work here in your academy, under your training. I appreciate all that. I have witnessed. I extend my heartfelt gratitude to the PMA Commandant and staff for their outstanding efforts in modeling these cadets into competent professionals. I am particularly impressed by the advanced training system and aids employed here. I have visited here. This is my third visit during last 8 months, and I always appreciate, and I will like to visit more and more times because I want to see these young people having this such a vigorous training. And I have also advertised your academy in my constituency, and wherever I get any opportunity to discuss, I talk about you, that how efforts you have made, and this our academy should be getting more and more facilities, whatever possible with us. I assure you that I will make all opportunities to enhance the capabilities and training of this academy and the standard. We will have a university of as mentioned earlier, and that will improve the standards further. To recognize the hard work of the PMA team, I am pleased to announce an honorarium of 1 basic pay for all employees of the academy. Your dedication has been instrumental in the remarkable achievements we celebrate today. To the parents here of the cadets, this is a proud moment for you. Your sport and sacrifice has contributed significantly to the success of your children. This is a proud moment, of course, and you are fortunate that your children have achieved such prestigious positions here. To the graduating cadets, as you embark on this new chapter, remember that you carry the hopes and aspirations of your family and your nation. Strive to make them proud through your exemplary conduct and exceptional performance. In conclusion, I wish the graduating cadets fair winds and following seas as they step into the professional lives. May you achieve great success and bring honor to your family and Pakistan. Thank you once again for the privilege of addressing you today. On this occasion, I have already announced one scholarship, and I have handed over to the cadet. And apart from that, I announced from myself all that cash award you have given to the cadets, the similar cash award from my side, another additional similar cash award from my side. I appreciate, I'm thankful to you that you gave me this honor, and you really, whenever I see you, Commandant, I'm pleased. I will find more occasions to have interaction with you and to have your suggestion and to act upon that, to fulfill that, to make those viable, because I feel that these students are our assets, and they are the future of our nation. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Assalamu alaikum. It is indeed an honor for us to have Honorable Mr. Qasir Ahmed Sheikh, Minister for Maritime Affairs, as chief guest at 61st Passing Out Parade at Pakistan Marine Academy. First of all, I would congratulate the passing out term and their parents for witnessing this joyful day. Today, 117 cadets are formally completing their pre-sea professional education cum training. Out of 117 cadets, 66 are from nautical and 51 are from marine engineering branch. The passing out term has undergone 2 years education cum pre-sea training courses at Pakistan Marine Academy, during which they have been professionally trained on state-of-art simulators, followed by on-job training with Karachi Port Trust and Port Qasim. From this year, we have started training of PMA cadets on board Pakistan Maritime Security Agency ships with collaboration of Pakistan Navy. It is pertinent to mention that every year we induct around 100 cadets, and till to date, PMA has trained over 4,000 cadets. Ladies and gentlemen, sea is naturally a viable and cost-effective medium for conducting trade. Hence, for an economy like Pakistan, it is crucial that we must develop maritime sector to bring it at par with developed nations, thereby earning revenue and providing employment to our youth. PMA is the only public sector training institute of Pakistan for seafarers. We at PMA remain committed to educate and train young human resource for local and international maritime industry. With the keen interest and support of Ministry of Maritime Affairs, PMA is equipped with state-of-art simulators which are being used for conducting IMO recognized pre and post sea courses. Here I would like to request the maritime industry to provide opportunities to our professionally trained alumni for proving their skills on board ships. Now I shall highlight few of the efforts being made at PMA under the direction of Ministry of Maritime Affairs and through the help of educational institutes and maritime related organizations. PMA's 2-year program has been enhanced to 4 years degree awarding program with cooperation of NAD Karachi, Bahrain University, International Islamic University and University of Engineering Technology Peshawar. PMA has got approval for direct admission in Nautical BS Maritime Business and Management and Engineering BS Mechanical in 3rd year, that is the 5th semester of these universities of Pakistan. In addition, process of upgrading PMA into a maritime university having all relevant faculties of maritime under one roof is in last stages. Inshallah soon PMA would become first ever public university in the maritime sector. Ladies and gentlemen, Global Radiance Shipping Company has extended 4 fully funded scholarships on need-based and cash prizes amounting to rupees 1,000 to best cadet and 50,000 to the runner-up cadet. It is important to highlight that along with the local shipping industry, Marshall Shipping Company Dubai, Tomny Shipping Dubai and V Ships have also inducted our cadets, which are more than 60. With the cooperation of Ministry of Maritime Affairs, PMA has arranged 33 fully funded scholarships on needs pay. These scholarships are being shared equally by PNSC, KPD and PQA. Honorable Maritime Minister Mr. Kassar Ahmed Sheikh has recently approved 30 more scholarships from 63rd batch purely on merit basis. PMA will award these scholarships with collaboration of PNSC. Additionally, Honorable Minister has also extended 1 scholarship under his personal patronage. SSMA Arabian Private Limited has announced cash prizes of rupees 75,000, 50,000 and 25,000 to the cadets who have scored top 3 CGPA in nautical and engineering branches. I am grateful to the Honorable Minister for his efforts, due which Secretary General International Maritime Organization made a successful visit of Pakistan Marine Academy. I am pleased to announce that with support of Chairman Tomny Shipping, Mr. Imtiaz Sheikh, PMA has been shifted to solar powered electricity. For this act of kindness, PMA is grateful to him. Dear cadets, today you have achieved the first milestone of your professional career and many more are yet to come. But as Commandant, I am sure that you have been trained best possible manner to face professional challenges and now you can rely on these traits. We at PMA wish and pray for your successful career and future. Lastly, I am thankful to Pakistan National Shipping Corporation, Karachi Port Trust, Port Qasim Authority, Gwadar Port Authority, PMSA, Karachi Shipyard and Engineering Works and private shipping companies for assisting PMA not only in training but also for us offering jobs to our graduates. I am thankful to Ministry of Maritime Affairs in providing regular guidance and support for accomplishment of tasks assigned to PMA. Indeed, without support of DD, Ports and Shipping, MMD and Shipping Office at Karachi, we cannot achieve much. I am also thankful to Naval Headquarters for sparing much spare desired human resource for conducting training and administrative jobs and also fulfilling other requirements as and when requested. My special thanks to entire staff of PMA who being my team are professionally devoted in extending all the support to the trainings for successful completion of their training at PMA. At the end, on behalf of PMA, I would like to thank Honorable Chief Guest Mr. Kassar Ahmed Sheikh, Minister of Maritime Affairs, for gracing this occasion as Chief Guest and sharing his valuable time with cadets and their families. I thank you all. Pakistan Marine Academy Zindabad, Pakistan Paindabad.